Look. Oh, boys!
Don't even get me started.
Let's finish him.
Okay.
Quickly get my ammo ready.
Are you going to attack me or what? Who's next?
Oh my God, what is going on?
I don't know, but let's get him. Let go off me.
A gun?
Oh no! How dare you take on my lil bro?
He attacked me first.
Does it look like I care?
Why are you holding me? This is what you get for you and your bro.
It is me, Dylan.
You think that hurt me?
How did that not? I am sorry.
Don't hurt me, big bro.
Wait, what are you doing?